Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Edmond Mindaros, and for today's quick tutorial guys, and I'm going to show you on how to resolve the Rockstar Games launcher with the error code 130 that you are receiving on your Windows computer when attempting to launch the Rockstar Games applications. So generally this would occur when a Steam helper crashes and is unable to verify your game is installed properly on your computer. Kung paano ba natin ito i-fix, and without further ado, and let's go ahead. So the first solutions we will do is to modify Rockstar Game Library Service. Kung paano ba yan natin gawin, all you have to do is to press the Windows key plus letter R on your keyboard. Pagsabayin mo lang yan. And then pop up itong run. So dito lang sa box ay kailangan mo lang i-type dito yung services.msc. So type the command keyword services.mac. So one word, and i-click mo lang dito yung OK. So once na-open mo na tong services at dito lang sa services local at dito sa right side ay kailangan mo lang i-locate dito yung Rockstar Game Library Service. So since hindi na-install dito sa ating system, so for example, ay nalocate na natin dito yung Rockstar Game Library Service. So ang gagawin mo lang is to select and double click. And dito sa ating general properties ng Rockstar Games, so select mo lang dito yung startup type. So kailangan naka-automatic. And then dito sa stop ay click mo lang yan. And then dito sa service status ay i-click mo lang dito yung start. And then wait natin. And then after, ay click mo lang dito yung stop dito sa running. And wait natin ulit. And next step, click mo lang dito yung apply. And i-click mo lang dito yung okay. And hope na na-resolve yung problem. But if the error is still persists, so ang next solution na pwede natin gawin is to search Rockstar Game. So kung paano ba yan natin gawin, all you have to do is to open up on the search menu. And then dito sa search for apps, so kailangan mo lang i-type dito yung Rockstar Game. So since hindi na-installed sa ating system, and then for example, type mo lang dito yung Chrome. And then dito, kailangan mo lang mag-right click. And select mo lang dito yung Open File Locations. So i-click mo lang yan. And then once na-locate mo na dito yung Open File Locations ng apps, so ang gagawin mo is to select and right click. And then select mo lang dito yung Show More Options. So click mo lang yan. And then next step ay select mo lang dito or itap mo tong properties. So click mo lang yan. And dito sa kanyang Rockstar Games properties, so dito lang sa taas ay kailangan mo lang i-select dito yung compatibility. So click mo lang yan. And then dito sa compatibility tab, and then dito lang sa compatibility mode ay kailangan mo lang i-check tong run this program and compatibility mode 4. Alright, so itap mo lang yan. And then i-click mo lang dito yung apply, and i-click mo lang dito yung okay. Alright, so after dito, and other solution na pwede natin gawin is to update the Windows driver. Kung paano ba natin gawin, all you have to do is to open up on a search menu. And dito sa search for apps, so type mo lang dito yung settings. And then i-click mo lang dito yung open. And next step, so dito lang sa left side menu, and select mo lang dito yung Windows Update. At dito sa right side, I scroll down. And then select mo lang dito yung advanced option. And then next step, so scroll down ulit at dito lang sa additional options at makikita mo dito yung optional updates. So click mo lang yan. And then dito ay kailangan mo lang i-install, i-download kapag mayroon kang nakitang update dito ng optional updates for drivers ng Rockstar Games. So kailangan mo lang yan i-install or downloading. So after mo yan ma-install, and the next solutions ay dito lang sa start menu. And kailangan mo lang mag-restart. Okay, click mo lang yan. Alright, so ganun lang po kasimple on how to fix Rockstar Games launcher with the error code 130. And please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys, and see you in my next tutorial.